Welcome to 2021 Alibaba Cloud Summit. This is Jin Huang, CTO from ArcVideo. ArcVideo is a video ecosystem partner of Alibaba Cloud. Thanks for the invitation, and I'm glad to introduce our company and solution. ArcVideo started serving global PC and mobile customers from 1994. Through multiple generations video codec evolving and over 20 years OEM and retail product shipping, we build our core technologies around video, keep pace with industry standards, innovate with our ecosystem partners, and explore our video solutions to more professional scenarios. ArcVideo leads the transition of ultra-high definition video and provide total solutions for resilient video service. Powered by ArcVideo technology, every day over 50,000 live streams are delivered across the country by our broadcaster, TV, and new media platform customers. ArcVideo value highly of our ecosystem partner. Our video service could deploy and deliver anywhere with partner support like Alibaba Cloud. And 400 million household and mobile users already benefit from the collaboration. We also embrace industry standard. We keep ahead of new and emerging video industry standards and always stay ready to deliver high quality video as new screens and devices evolve. Now I introduce our newest solutions, jointly developed with Alibaba Cloud. The ArcVideo 8K Ultra High Definition Live Solution. It comes with AI quality enhancement algorithms, like frame interpolation for smooth video, super resolution for larger screen, perceptual coding for lower bitrate, and video repair algorithms for defective source. It's also 5G and secure reliable transporter ready. Deliver high quality, low latency video across the public internet with content protected from contribution to distribution. It also supports major HDR schemes and video codec, and also including support with immersive audio like Dolby Atmos. This page shows some of our AI-based video quality repair algorithm we built into our video solutions. It includes color enhancement, defogging, denoising, and deblocking. The ArcVideo Media Asset Management Service is a cloud-based service deeply integrated and optimized with Alibaba Cloud. High efficient and secure media asset management service enables producer, editors, and artists to collaborate from everywhere and deliver to anywhere. It ingests, organizes, search, and share AI tagged media on a secure platform. Collaborative edit with a lightweight proxy, simplify the production process, and enable faster time to market. Centralized and protected storage enable easy access for producer, editor, and artists. And a web-based UI with building block design video tools can be easily customized to fit a customer workflow. There are some newest cases we done for last year. The ArcVideo end-to-end 8K live broadcaster solutions. We support the first 8K HVAC sports event broadcaster for Chinese football Super League final. We also enable the first 5G, 4K, 8K, and extended reality broadcaster for 14th Music Award ceremony held by Migrate Music. We also jointly developed the first Chinese 8K AVS3 test channel with CCTV, and deliver 8K Spring Festival broadcaster to outdoor advertising screen for 9 cities. We are glad that our newest 8K solutions get verified in field, and we are well recognized by most professional customers and administrations. Thanks for the partnership with Alibaba Cloud. Thank you for your time and hope you enjoy the rest of the summit.
Hello everyone, I'm Yan Laijian, the Marketing and Planning Director of Sorbet International Business Group. Today, I'd like to talk about the new normality, the new paradigm of the media and entertainment industry in the post-pandemic era. And I will introduce cloud-based products and solutions to you. First of all, let me introduce Sorbet. Sorbet is the leader of media technology and service in worldwide. Since 1997, we have more than 20 years experience and 2,000 employees. We have empowered more than 5,000 customers over 40 countries. By cooperating with global partners, Sorbet provides news, sports, media platform, and cloud-based solutions to news agencies, broadcasters, media groups, production company, and also the other organizations, such as CCTV, CGTN, Reuters, NBC, and Dutch Valley. Sorbet have more than 500 software copyrights and patents, and we have won top awards in China and worldwide. We keep technology innovation in video plus AI, big data, and cloud. We empower our customers to maximize the media value and make their workflow more efficient to make their business better perform. As you know, since last year, the COVID-19 is changing the world forever. The media industry is changing to a new normality, direct to consumer and working from home. According to the IBM report, the customer's technology investment is shifting to cloud and remote production. The vendor's business model is also transforming from perpetual license to software subscription and SaaS service. In the past year, many broadcasters, media companies are being impacted by COVID-19. For example, more than 150 scripts production were postponed in the US. However, the Thomson Reuters news production is well performed. Since 2019, Reuters changed their production workflow to a new paradigm by cooperation with Sorbet. The Reuters journalists can work from anywhere, anytime, around the world, from their office, on the field, or from their home. They just take a laptop with the internet connection to do the news reporting and editing. They can upload the content, edit footage, share content, and cooperate on the cloud. As of today, in Reuters, they have more than 600 journalists, over 100 branch offices are using this platform. You may ask why you can do that? I should say thanks to Sorbet, an award-winning open media platform, which is a microservice and cloud-native based architecture. It can deploy the on-prem, data center, private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. By using the platform plus two-side approach, it supports multiple media workflow on one platform. The news, sports, radio, post-production, asset management, and so on. The on-prem system supports in-house workflow from planning, ingest to produce and playout, distribution, and also archiving. The cloud system covers branch offices and remote teams. It empowers the broadcasters and media companies to make their omni-media business more easier and more efficient. By cooperating with Alibaba Cloud, Sorbet provides a full product portfolio to support the end-to-end workflow on the cloud, from create, produce, manage to publish. By integration with wireless camera, you can access the camera contents remotely. You can upload the file and ingest streams to the cloud. You can also use web-based editor and native editor, Adobe Premiere, and third-party tools. For example, you can just take your laptop, connect to internet, use the browser to do the quick editing. And also, you can use your laptop with the local Adobe Premiere installed to do the direct editing in the cloud without the file downloading. More than that, you can also do mixed editing with the local material and cloud material on one same timeline. So all of your team can manage and share the content from anywhere, anytime. No matter video, audio, image, documents, and the added projects. And you can also transcode, download, publish, deliver to multi-platforms. You can see it's a paradigm shift media solution for the new normality. And now, it's leading the new wave of the media in cloud over the world. From the remote editing to end-to-end workflow in cloud. And it has been proved by many customers. We can provide the subscription and SaaS services to you. By using SoftwareHub, your team can work from office to their home. Your finance team can change from the CapEx to OpEx. Your media infrastructure can change from the on-prem to the cloud. There are hundreds of cases of SoftwareHub from the global, national to regional organizations. Here are the key references. Reuters, the global news production platform. China Global Television Network, the CGTN Unified News Platform. China Central Television, the CCTV News and Sports System. Zhejiang Media Group, the provincial level of media center. As a summary, in the media and entertainment industry, the remote editing and working from home is the new normality. And the cloud-based media production is the new paradigm. As a professional solution provider, Sobe continuously innovates technology to maximize the content value of our customer. Let's shape the future of the media industry. For more information, please contact us. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, I'm Yunsen from Media Integration Group of the China Digital Video Beijing Limited. Today, I will share some technology cooperation between Alibaba Cloud and CDV, and introduce the CDV's products on the Alibaba Cloud. In 2019, Alibaba Cloud and CDV completed the national key project of science and technology platform about Winter Olympics. In this project, CDV is the team leader of the Topic 5. The name of the Topic 5 is Cloud Broadcasting Center. The main role of this project is to provide global users with cloud broadcasting services. We can watch the Olympic Games in an all-round way through Alibaba Cloud. CDV was founded in 1990 with more than 30 years history. It is a professional company in media industry. It has more than 1,000 employees and over 70% of whom has a bachelor degree and above. It has emerged as a well-known high-technology enterprise in Beijing. We deliver service of the national and provincial TV media organizations, including IBC or large events, TV stations, newspapers, and other new media organizations, and so on. CDV's solutions including media convergence, UHD, graphic performance, broadcasting and event services. We have professional products including news system, non-editing, online packaging graphics and broadcasting system. We are the leading service company in large-scale event activities, including Olympic Games in 2004 and 2008. CDV provided IBC system in provincial national games, and we also provided broadcasting service about CBA, China Open, and other events. We have a large customer base. National media organizations such as CCTV and Guangming Daily make a long-term cooperation with us. We also make a long-term cooperation with 28 of all provincial TV stations in China. Based on the advantage of UHD production, media convergence, IBC and broadcasting services, graphic performance, CTV is a leading title current in media industry. That's all my sharing today. Thank you.